Good morning, Firebirds. This is Anya Vasana and Lucas Ho live from the library for GP News. Today is Thursday, October 17th. And remember, school's out at 11:35 a.m. For lunch, we will be having a half-day brunch bag with strawberry squeeze yogurt, zucchini muffin, lunch punch, and apple slices.
The weather today is sunny. Currently it's 70 degrees and the high is 89 degrees.
Make sure to mark your calendar for the book fair in 2 weeks from today, October 31st.
In sports news, here are the results for Wednesday's cross-country 7th and 8th grade meet.
Our 7th and 8th grade cross-country teams raced last night against 9 competitive district teams at Boulder Creek for our district meet.
In our 7th and 8th grade girls race, Raya Zakula won the 1.5 race with a personal record of 8 minutes and 48 seconds. Sage Sollers ran a PR in 9:07, Avery Shuey ran a PR in 9:13, Julie DeReese ran a PR in 9:14, teammates McCartney W., Anya Vasana, and Addison Endy all finishing within the top 11 of this extraordinary team. The girls won the district championship with only 19 points. Congratulations, girls, for winning the 2019 district meet.
Our 7th and 8th grade boys raced next. Lucas Ho placed 12th overall, running his personal record of 9:45. Good job, Lucas. Captain PK Hoppy earned a respectable 25th overall and ribbon at the podium. Kyle Broncati raced 36th with his personal best of 11 minutes flat in the 1.5-mile course. Luke Wilson and Austin Friedman raced amazing races to finish off our boys' team. Great job to our 7th and 8th grade teams. This is Anya Vasana and Lucas Ho signing out. Thank you.